Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? I am so excited for today's video because I'm gonna be unboxing all the PR that I received recently. In case you guys are also excited to see what I received, then please keep on watching. Alright, so before diving into the video, I want to share this one supplement product that I received from Setu Nutrition. This is their hair strong strips. Now this is how it looks like. And I also want to thank Setu Nutrition for sponsoring this portion of the video, and I'm so excited to try this product out. I haven't tried like one single strip of this as now, but this seems so good. Like my hair is falling off recently जब से मैंने कलर करवाया है बाल. Like अगर आप कलर करा रहे हो ना बालों को तो that is 100% sure उसके बाद आपके बाल like खराब होने ही वाले हैं. लाइक कुछ ना कहीं डैमेज तो होने ही वाले हैं. नाउ दिस स्मॉल लिटिल पैक कंटेन्स 30 स्ट्रिप्स. नाउ आपको करना क्या है, स्ट्रिप निकालनी है, उसको पील करना है, ध्यान से पील करना है और आपको सिर्फ अपनी टंग पे रखना है. आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट आई थिंक दे से to use this after breakfast and place it on your tongue and allow it to dissolve. They are so nicely made. You get 30 of these in just one pack.
You will get 30 of these hair strong strips from Setu. You'll have to use it every single day. Like you will have to be consistent and use it after every breakfast, like every single day. Just peel it off and put the strip on your tongue and let it dissolve. I will definitely leave it in the description, and on the screen you can use my code to get some money off.
I'll tell you one very interesting part of this sponsorship. This is like very different. This never happens to me like really often. So this is the product that I selected for myself. First I received some other product from Setu, but that was not my issue that I wanted to, that was not my concern. So I wanted to do something for my hair and I did not have like much products for that. So I asked them to please send me this, and if this like works, I wanted to check this out. So you have to use like one every single day, and I'm really excited. I will definitely keep you guys updated with how this works. So 30 strips, 30 days. We'll see how it goes after 1 month. And if you guys want to check this product out as well, I will link it in the description. Now let's begin with the unboxing the gift. Okay, so the first thing that I have is this kit from Smashbox. अब Smashbox का मैंने अभी तक तो कुछ भी ऐसा try नहीं किया है, so I'm really excited to see what is inside this because मैं open करके देख चुकी हूँ already. This is a kit and we have always on mini matte duo, and I have never like tried any of their lipsticks, any of their products, and I've heard ki Smashbox is a really good brand. I've heard this from Malvika. She loves this brand and she also has collaborated with them. So I'm super excited to see how these lip shades work. These are 2 lip shades that comes in the combo. The first one is in the shade Stepping Out, and this is how the shade looks like. I'm just gonna swatch it for you. It's already a mini, so I don't want to waste the product that much. So that is the first shade called Stepping Out. It's a really pretty brown shade. Wow, look at that. And this one is called Big Spender. That's me for sure. I'm a big spender. So this is more on the pinky side. Obviously you can see I love the shade Stepping Out. Oh my god, can't wait to try this. और इस box पे लिखा है that this is only available on Nykaa. Alright, then I have this Kama Ayurveda Clarifying and Brightening Cleansing Oil. Oh my god, I don't know how brands get to anticipate that. I wanted to try a cleansing oil since such a long time, and trust me you guys, being a beauty content creator, I've never tried a cleansing oil before. So I've actually tried it, I don't remember, but this is a really good brand, Kama Ayurveda. I've heard really good things about this one, so I'm really excited to see how this makeup remover works. I'm gonna open this and show you how the inner packaging looks like. मैंने खुद भी नहीं देखी अभी तक. It's a really nice bottle. It looks like the Forest Essentials bottle, and I think this is a spray, or this is like, okay, I'm not gonna try this right now, but it retails for $9.95 for this small bottle. मतलब अच्छी होनी चाहिए तभी लोग खरीदेंगे, because makeup remover mostly लोग खरीदते हैं जब उसमें से ज़्यादा अमाउंट होता है, ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी होती है, बट इसमें ये 995 का है और आपको इतनी सी बॉटल मिल रही है. सो देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग रियली ग्रेट अबाउट दिस. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई दिस मेकअप रिमूवर ऑयल. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट अप इज दिस बॉक्स एंड दिस इज माय फेवरेट स्किन केयर ब्रांड. Mama Earth and Plum are like top most favorite Indian skincare brands of mine. And look at this box, dude. It's so pretty and it opens like this. Isn't that so pretty? Just look at that. This is how it looks like. Plum की packaging बहुत like top notch हो चुकी है अब. I have this green tea pore cleansing face wash. I already have used it and I love this face wash. This is the one. I think I have used it like once और मैं एक मतलब ट्यूब पूरी ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ इसकी already and I really like it, especially in the summers because this is like green tea range is mostly for the oily skin people. So I really enjoy this one in the summers specifically. Then I have this shower gel. This is called Trippin Mimosas. Yeah, and I love their body washes. I'm not even kidding you guys. मैंने एक तो पूरा ख़त्म कर दिया, मुझे उसका फ्लेवर नहीं याद क्या था, but this one I'm so excited to try. And this is how it looks like. Their body washes are amazing. They smell so good and love that. Now this one is oil free moisturizer, again for oily skin people. This range, green tea range, is amazing if you have oily skin. This is Glow Restore face oil. Wow, I've tried Plum ki serums. I've tried their vitamin C serum, their niacinamide serum. I love them. I've never tried their face oil. And being an Indian skincare brand, I feel like they are like on top of their game. I already have so much skincare to try, you guys. पता नहीं मैं ये वाला कब try कर पाऊँगी, but I'm so excited. अभी मेरे पास face wash भी है जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, body wash भी है, moisturizer भी है और face oil अभी मैं यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ, serum यूज़ करती हूँ. तो I don't want to mix a lot of skincare. तो अभी इसको I think इसी में डाल देते हैं वापस और स्टॉक करके रखते हैं. जब चाहिए होगा products, then I'll open this again. Okay, next up I have some open products that I want to share with you. These are from Wow Science. Now this is also a skincare brand and trust me you guys, I haven't tried a single product from Wow Skin Science yet and I'm excited. I'm really excited and I've heard कि Mama Earth के साथ इनका काफ़ी ज़्यादा comparison होता है, but to be very honest you guys, Mama Earth तो मतलब अपने में बहुत सही ब्रांड है और अब वो मेकअप भी लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं मार्केट में, which is makeup infused with skincare, which is so different and I am so excited for what they are like coming up with. This is micellar green tea micellar makeup remover. Haven't heard about that ever and it looks good. I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. And they have these silicone brush which again super comparable to the Mama Earth ones, but you guys, I've never heard about the green tea thing. So this is the Wow Science brightening vitamin C face wash. I love the packaging, but to be very honest ये packaging मैं रखने वाली नहीं हूँ अपने साथ. ये तो पता नहीं कहाँ चला जाएगा, इसमें आप पता नहीं क्या ही कर सकते हो. ये इसमें कुछ है. These are spinach plant seeds. Wow, that's so different and so unique. This is like a cardboard kind of outer packaging. Then I have their blemish care serum. I get so excited when I see new skincare. I just want to try it like at that time only, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I have my skincare routine current, but I will use this. I'll try this on a reel or something. I have one more. I have their body butter. This is called mango body butter. Such a big tub of a body butter. Let me just see if it smells like mango. See, it's all packed. Should I like open this? Let's open this anyways. Wow, that smells like mango. Oh my god, I want to eat a mango right now. It smells so freaking good. Let's open the next package, which is a really cute. It also has a note, so let's see what's inside. Firstly, let me just read the note. They say, thank you for supporting our brand. Your support means a lot to us. I hope you like our products. Euphoria X Thetics. So this is how the note looks like, and the brand name is Euphoria X Thetics, and I love the name. So this says, okay, this is like a direction of use, like how to apply and remove. These are nails. Oh wow, oh wow. These are press-on nails. Look at this one, dude. This one is so beautiful. I love this. I am gonna try this for sure, you guys. Look at these nails. Don't look at my nails. Look at these beautiful nails. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. This is how the second design of the press-on nails looks like. So cute, right? It like reminds me of summer for some reason. So cute. I cannot wait to try this out. और वैसे भी मैंने अपने जो long nails थे वो cut कर दिए हैं. तो इसके साथ we have some other additional accessories. A nail filer, super cute. I wanted one. I needed one. These are some stickers for the press on. And this is, I think this is a sheet mask. This is a portable compressed mask. A nail glue. So thank you so much for sending these across. These are super useful. Alright, I'm like really going fast now because otherwise light बंद हो गई तो मैं वीडियो नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So this is the product that I've actually shared YouTube shorts of this. I will link it here. I've been loving Dot and Key skincare also. एक तो मैं से दुपट्टा नहीं संभालता हूँ. आज for the first time I thought कि चलो कुछ इंडियन पहन के वीडियो बनाते हैं और देख लो. This is how this packaging was, and you guys look at this. All of these are products. These are Christmas gifts. Like all of these are Christmas gifts. अभी मैं एक एक चीज़ खोल के नहीं दिखा पाऊंगी because इतना टाइम नहीं है और लाइट बंद हो गई अगर तो मैं ये स्टोरीज पे या फिर YouTube शॉर्ट्स पे आपको खोल के दिखाऊंगी कि इसमें क्या है. और अभी मैंने इसके साथ एक YouTube शॉर्ट्स बनाया था which was like a sponsored video, and I'm so excited to see बाकी में क्या क्या है. मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिला देखने का कि बाकी बॉक्सेस में क्या क्या था. So this is like a Christmas gift from Dot and Key. I loved it. I love their products also. Now Dot and Key, Plum, Mama Earth, Wow Science. I have so much skincare to try, you guys. I don't know when I'm gonna try this. I have another skincare brand, Dr. Sheth's, and I have been using one of their overnight repair masks. I don't remember the name, but I actually am liking that recently. So इसमें उन्होंने मुझे दो products भेजे हैं और पहला है Mulberry and Mandelic Acid Peel. एक तो इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इनके नेम्स होते हैं ना, मतलब अब मुझे एक मिनट के लिए टाइम लग जाता है देखने का कि क्या मतलब है प्रोडक्ट. एंड दिस इज अ तुलसी एंड सैलिसिलिक. ओह माय गॉड, दैट इज अ टंग ट्विस्टर. This is a tulsi and salicylic acid toner. So this one is something, again I'm gonna keep this जब तक मेरे बाकी products ख़त्म होते हैं तो I'll try and use these as well. But इतना skincare it's not possible for me to try. Then I have few products from Mama Earth. I have their vitamin C foaming face wash. Thank you for restocking this, Mama Earth. I love this face wash. Then I have their charcoal black long stay kajal. I also have their cherry tinted lip balm, which I love. I have reviewed this in past, so video dekh lena jaakar. Then I have this micro box of macro goodness. I love that, and this one is a happy Diwali gift. I'm so sorry to the brand, मैं ये खोल ही नहीं पाई, मुझे पता नहीं ये बॉक्स चला कहाँ गया था. And this one is from chococic, and it's like a really cool place here in Ludhiana. We have some chocolates from them. We have 2 diyas. I can grow a plant. Stop, this is so cute. Thank you so much chococic. I'm so sorry मैं आपको दिवाली पे नहीं मतलब कर पाई, but this is so cool. I love the initiative. I have a eyeshadow palette from Cuffs and Lashes, and I will be making another video like testing new makeup products out from Cuffs and Lashes. I have other makeup also like from Blur India and stuff like that. So this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. This is called Enchanting eyeshadow palette. Cuffs and Lashes Enchanting eyeshadow palette. It's a huge palette, and wow, oh my god, that is so beautiful. If this works nicely, I mean, it's gonna be great. Cuffs and Lashes is again Indian brand. So agar to ye glitters, look at these glitters, dude. They are so pretty and shiny. Excited! I'm not gonna take much time with these because I'm gonna make a separate video using these products. Then I have this color pot in the shade 08. I think जो मैंने वीडियो में color pot यूज़ किया था वो शेड बहुत ही ashy था, तो उन्होंने शायद वो वीडियो देखकर मुझे ये भेज दिया होगा शेड. This is a concealer shade. Look at that. I loved the formula. So this one is a concealer ka shade. So excited to try it out as well. I have their blush, bronzer and highlighter. This is how the highlighter looks like. Looks really nice. Alright, so I think this is the last box that I'm gonna open. इसमें we have some makeup from Mars. I have some makeup from Mars. I can actually create a trying new makeup with all these products because I think I have a full face of new makeup to try now. I have Mars, Cuffs and Lashes. I also have some lipsticks from Blur India. So I will be using them in the new video. I have their eyeshadow palette. I'm not gonna open them right now because the suspense khatam ho jayega, right? So I have their brick highlighter. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I mean, Mars brand काफी level up कर रहा है. जो पहले products वो बनाते थे. It is also an Indian brand. So this is their eyeshadow palette जो मुझे सबसे पहले receive हुई थी. बहुत पहले receive हुई थी. And this is how the palette looks like. Now I will say the pigmentation of the palette is great. It's awesome, no doubt. But the packaging, you know, अगर आप इसको देखो तो आपको पता है कि हाँ ये मतलब cheap वाले products होते हैं वो use करते हैं. So this is that. I'll show you the recent eyeshadow palette that I received from them. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Mars, you did a great job there. And if this eyeshadow palette works, it will be Sone Pe Suhaga. Then I also have their lip palette. Super excited. And lastly, this is their Wonder powder. Bulky powder. And look at that holographic. Looks good. Okay, we have a mirror. We have two powders. That's a good. Wow, I mean, we have a puff. Wow, I like their loose powder also. Last but not the least, I have the Blur India newly launched lipsticks. The shade is also so pretty. Oh, it has like a balmy texture. It's not a lipstick. It will be a beautiful blush. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in my next video now. Bye.